In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two products on Shopify in just about 5 minutes. Now, whether you're running a sale, creating a bundle, or simply organizing your inventory more efficiently, combining products on Shopify can be a powerful tool in your e-commerce arsenal. Let's dive into the process. First up, let's head over to Shopify's homepage. You can do this by simply typing shopify.com into your browser's search bar. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to access your account, which brings us to logging in. Locate the login button, it's pretty hard to miss, and give it a click. This will take you to the login page, where you will begin the process of accessing your store's admin. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Shopify store. This will ensure a smooth and seamless login process. Once you've entered your email, click on the Continues button. Splendid. Now you're one step closer to accessing your store. The next step requires entering your password. Find the password field, enter your password carefully, and then click Login. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure everything is exactly as it should be. Upon successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard of your Shopify admin. This area operates as the control room of your store. From here you can manage orders, view analytics, and of course manage your products. To get to your products, look for the Products option on the left-hand menu. Clicking on Products will bring up your entire product catalog. It's like walking into the virtual stockroom of your shop. Here you'll see all the items you have listed for sale, making it easier to manage and view everything in one place. Now for the task at hand, selecting two products to combine. Take a moment to browse through your product list and carefully select the two products you wish to combine. Perhaps you're combining similar items or creating a new bundled offer for your customers. The choice and strategy are entirely up to you. Once you've made your selections, the next action is to click on Export. This option is your gateway to transferring product details out of Shopify, allowing you to manipulate or combine product details externally. The Export button might seem like a small step, but it plays a significant role in this process. It ensures that you have all the necessary product information at your fingertips, ready for whatever modifications you plan to make. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to combining two products on Shopify. This process, while straightforward, can have a profound impact on how you manage and present your products. Bundling products or streamlining your inventory not only makes your store more navigable, but can also enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Plus, it's an excellent strategy for highlighting promotions or special offers. Remember, the success of your Shopify store largely depends on how well you understand and utilize the platform's myriad of features. Combining products is just one of the many functions available to make your e-commerce journey a success. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're a Shopify veteran or new to the platform, understanding how to effectively manage your product catalog is crucial. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks to help you thrive in the competitive world of e-commerce. Happy selling!